All right, hope I got this on in time. This is one of my favorite spots. I'm not even sure where I'm at. I think Keller. Pretty well maintained pathway. You never know who's going to be on the wrong side coming around these turns, man. Pick up some big speed on this. Hi, squirrel. All right. GoPro quit recording. Well, I guess I didn't want to listen. Hey GoPro, stop video. No? Hey GoPro, stop recording. All right. I'm assuming everything's going back to hometown. About 3.5 miles to go. Hope the mics are still working. So the mic's mounted to the front of the bike above the forks. We'll see how that works. I have a feeling it's going to be too much wind. So the camera was overheating at 60 frames per second in 100-degree weather, so note to self, no more 60 frames, I guess. Whew. Back to hometown. Woo! That was tough. Whew. Probably getting low on battery. 30 frames per second, 4K, HDR. I don't know, a lot of people dog HDR on the 8 GoPro, and I think it's usually a gimmick, but I thought it looked pretty good. Coming up behind NRH2O Family Water Park, a feature of North Richland Hills, Texas. They used to shoot all the commercial work out here for all their menus, all their marketing, food, everything. They were really good to me. This will be a good test for the mic, where I have it mounted in terms of clarity with the road and my voice. I got the music up louder too, which is probably confusing. All right. A little over 17.25 miles. I can't stress enough how much I recommend the Trek Dual Sport Hybrid. I got the latest generation, whatever that is, 3 or 4, I can't remember. A penny flake. It is just smooth on the road and great off-road as long as it's not too rough. So man, if you're just somebody wanting to just have a do-it-all bike that doesn't do anything great, but everything good enough, now I don't suggest going on any mountain biking trails without any suspension, but little stuff like off the road, you know, some gravel, some dirt, it's fine. My wife has a really high-tech road bike. I guess it's called an Amonda or something like that. It's really, really rough, you know. Really rough. Off the road, that is. I mean, even if she hits some light gravel, it's just killer in a bad way. I mean, the tires are the size of a nerd's arm. 18 miles. Shit, I should be able to head back pretty soon. Heart rate is at 136, according to my heart rate monitor. Oh man. Take a drink real quick. Not much left. Ah. So I'm sitting up riding with no hands right now, which is great for my core, and especially great to relax my back, and my shoulders, and my neck. That's the one good thing about learning how to ride